Hello and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today we're going to make authentic restaurant style salsa. Now this is one of my favorite snacks to have, whether it's a snack all by itself or it's for Taco Tuesday or even to watch, the big game, big sporting events, Super Bowl Sunday, NBA Finals, anything like that. And this is so super easy to make. Once you start making homemade salsa, you'll never buy store-bought salsa again. All right, so let's get started. The ingredients for authentic restaurant style salsa are a 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes, 3 small cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of cumin, 1 loosely packed cup of cilantro, half of a white onion, 1 jalapeno pepper, and the juice of 1 lime. Let's go ahead and get our salsa mixed together. First, we're going to go ahead and add in our can of whole tomatoes, our cilantro, the 3 garlic cloves, our cumin and salt. Oops, missed some. The jalapeno. On my jalapeno, I've left the seeds and the ribs in the jalapeno. The seeds are what contain the heat, so if you want a hotter salsa, leave the seeds in. If you want a milder salsa, go ahead and take those out. And then we have our onion here, which we quartered. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and take our lime and put our lime juice in. But before we go ahead and put the lime juice in, we want to go ahead and take our lime and we're going to go ahead and roll it on the counter. And what we're trying to do is break down the walls of the lime so that juices can go ahead and be released. This way you get the maximum amount of juice out of that lime. Let's go ahead and squeeze that lime in there. Make sure to go ahead and get both sides of your cut lime. Go ahead and put your lid on. And then we're just going to pulse this until you reach the desired consistency. We're done pulsing that, so let's go ahead and take our salsa off. Take a look at that. That looks delicious. I'm going to go ahead and remove the blades here. And there we have our restaurant style salsa, which we can go ahead and pour into a salsa container and serve. And now it's time for the all-important taste test. Oh, that tastes so good, just like my favorite Mexican restaurants serve. I swear you'll never go to the store to buy salsa again. Well, thanks for joining us today in My Low Country Living as we made homemade salsa. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more recipes like this. Thanks.